Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Studied Alf Allah become Hafiz, but couldn't remove the veil's thickness who. With the study become learned scholar, but become seeker of the richness who. Studied hundreds and thousands of books, but tyrant Nafs will not perish away who. Besides Fakir Hadrat Bahoo, this inner wicked thief will never be killed away who. Here Hazrat Sultan Bahoo is mentioned the person who becomes a Hafiz by memorizing the Quran. He does memorize the Quran, but unfortunately he does not delve into the spiritual dimension of the Quranic teachings. Neither he practices them, and therefore that the veils which are upon his soul, they cannot be removed by merely studying Quran or memorizing Quran. By studying many books, one can acquire knowledge, but that knowledge will only be for the sake of earning wealth, become wealthy, and fulfilling the worldly desires, which will not be of any use at all upon the path of Almighty Allah and on the path of passionate love. By studying those books, one can only become arrogant, and with that, the tyrant Nafs, base self, will never die. It will only become much more arrogant and more lethal, and therefore one has to look into the Nafs very carefully. And besides Fakir, as it said very clearly, that the inner wicked thief will never be killed, because with the gaze of a Murshid Kamil, the Nafs becomes subdued, and the reins of the Nafs are given in the hands of the Talib, the desirous who seeks to be in the closeness of Almighty Allah.